Last class we have discussed what is data type and what is the size of the data type and how the range is fixed for each data type, like that, and formula, all those things we discussed. Now we discuss the type conversion characters. What is type conversion characters means, if we declared anything as integer, you can't able to print it directly. So you just print using this type conversion characters only, you can able to print. Percentage D is represent for integer, for long int represents for percentage LD, float is for percentage F, like that is there. Okay, we will go to simple C program, then I will explain. It may be understandable for you, I think so. Okay, we will go to C environment. Okay, file, new, press F5 for full screen, hash include stdio.h. We already told that hash is a preprocessor active symbol, include is a keyword, standard input output header file, and every C program starts with main. So here in Turbo, void is acceptable, but lot of compilers int is only acceptable. If you use int main, then you return something line you should give, but leave it, you just give void main. This is the entry point for every home, that is an entry point is there, like that here also entry point is void main. Okay, now I want to print hi message. Okay, then I will give hi and semicolon. Every line ends with semicolon. I just put hi and semicolon. Okay, now I compile the program. And what's the error is there? Error, it will shows the error. It doesn't show error to hash include void main brace. It shows the error only hi, because this hash include, this void main, these are all keywords already recorded. This header file name, this main, void, everything is already known by C compiler. So it doesn't know what is hi, what it is it function, is it variable, is it or constant. It doesn't know what is hi. Okay, I think I want to print hi. Okay, just if you want to print anything in screen, you use the command printf. This printf, within quotation, you just give hi message, then close the screen. Hi. Okay. Now here in C compiler we use printf command. In C++ we used cout command. In Java it's used system.out.println. So depends upon the language, the printf lines vary. So in C we use the printf command. Okay, I will run. You can able to directly run the program. It's need not to compile every time. I will run the program. So within the fraction of second it disappear. Press Alt F5. Okay, hi message is there. Now I want to print hi plus one number, 100. Hi 100. Then now I print. So then once again I print Alt plus F5. Okay, hi 100. Okay, first time output is high, second time output is hi 100. Okay, it's fine. But what's the problem is that I want to clear the screen, because I need not the previous outputs, I need not to see. So I want to clear the screen. So I just clear screen, and one more command to get ch. I will explain what's the purpose of this get ch. Okay, now I compile the program. It will shows the error, two errors. Function CLR SCR should have a prototype. Get ch should have a prototype. What is prototype? Whenever you got an error, kindly read the error, and based on that error you just correct it. It means it doesn't show error in printf, because printf is already declared in header file, this header file. But clear screen get ch, these are all functions are also defined in some other header file, but we didn't include that header file. Then how did we know this header files, where that header file is there? You just place the cursor in C and go to help and topic search. So CLR SCR is in conio.h header file. Okay, you just include that header file. Hash include conio.h. Okay, now you compile the program and run the program. Alt F9 and Control F9. So now the output is high 100, it's fine. Okay, I will explain the getch later, because instead of this line getch, we may use getchar, getche, scanf, getters. Lot of comments we may put here. But what is the difference between these all those things? We will discuss in after 10 classes. Okay, now leave that. Now I want to print this 100. This is 100 is simply its prints. I want to store this 100 to somewhere else, and I want to print that value from that place. For example, in your home, so in kitchen area, lot of things are there. So lot of boxes are there. In every box, every some content is there, some goods are there, but you differentiate with that box, and using that differentiation you can able to get that things. Like that here also I declared one box and I hold the value in that box. So first, what is the size of the box? Because if you want to store the very big if you want to store the big number or big elements, the box size should be the big. But if you want to store little bit elements, little bit values, then box size is minimum is enough, minimal is enough. So I declared int. So I want to store only the number 100. So I declared int. The box name I declared a. So this is known as variable. It means a equal to 100. I declared 100. Okay. So automatically after seeing this line, after you compiling, the machine create a memory for the name of with the name of a, and it holds the value 100. So now I want to print the value 100. Then I just give a. So nothing is there. So a is I create one box. Box name is a. That box holds the integer type. It means whole numbers, and that box contains 100 value. Now I want to print the value. Hi a. Now I print the value. But what's the problem is there? It's a warning. Leave it. Okay. Hi a it prints. It doesn't print hi 100. Now only type conversion comes into the play. Okay, instead of a, we should print %d, comma a. So first, within quotation, whatever is there, printf will prints, except type conversions. Hi it's automatically in screen, hi is prints, hi space prints. After it's seeing %d, so it's search the corresponding variable. So after comma, which one is the first variable? A. So then it picks the value 100 and place it in this %d. So the answer is hi 100. Okay. In kitchen, lot of boxes are there. Like that, I put another box. I create another box and put the value 200. Now if you want to print that value also, means then you put another %d, comma b. Okay. Now you run it. So first %d is for a, second %d is for b. If you suppose if you exchange the value b comma a, then automatically it prints 200. Okay. So this is the variable. So this a and b are known as variable. So the next class, what is the rules for naming this variable? What is the type conversions, other type conversions? On other rules are there, lot of rules are there. What are the rules? We will discuss in next class.